Good morning children. Welcome you all in our math session. Today we are going to start new chapter. Chapter 5, factors and multiples. Okay children. Children, you know we have completed comparing numbers, large numbers. Okay. Then Roman numerals, how to write number name, then addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And here we have started this chapter factors and multiples. Okay, this is totally new chapter for you children. Okay, what is mean by factor? Let's see here. Here is a definition of factors. Factors of a given number are the numbers which divide the given number without leaving any remainder. Okay, see here children. Factors of a given number are the numbers which divide the given number without leaving any remainder. Means children, here in factors we have to do division and multiplication also. Okay, so see here, if we take a example 6, and you know 6 means 1 multiplied by 6 means 1 6 is 6. Okay, or we can see this 6 divided by 1. So 1 6 is 6 and we get remainder here 0. Without leaving any remainder means remainder 0. This is the factor of 6. 1 6. 1 multiplied by 6. Okay, next. Here 6 means if we take the 6 flowers. Okay, 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, if here are 6 flowers means this is a group of 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now if we make a group of 2 flowers, okay, 1 2, this is one group. Again these 6 flowers we have to divide in 3 group. This is another group. Then 1, look here this is one group, this is second group and this is third group. Means we divide here these 3 flowers in 3 groups with 2 flowers each. Okay, in this group 1 flower in each group, and this is 6 groups. Okay, now here 2 flowers in 3 groups and there is nothing to remain. Okay, so here you know 2 flowers in 3 groups. So 2 3s are 6. Okay children. Now if we make 1 2 3, these 3 flowers in each group and remaining 3 flowers. 1 2 3. Yes, we make here 2 groups again. 2 groups of 3 flowers. Means 3 flowers in each 2 group. Okay. Here again no remainder. Means children, when we make 1 6 are 6 equal 6 group. Then 2 3s are 6. Here are 2 flowers. 2 2. 3 groups here. No remainder. Then 3 flowers and 2 groups. 3 flowers and 2 groups. No remainder here. These, and look here. Here we repeat this. 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. So we have to write this here only. And now you know the 6 means here 1 2 3 and 6. These are the factors of 6. Why this is the factor of 6? Because when we 1 6 are 6, no remainder. I show you like this. 1 6 are 6, 0. Okay, 0 remainder. Then here when we divide 6 by 2, okay, then also 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. Okay, when means what children? Factors of a given number. These are the factors of given number are the numbers which divide the given number, divide the given number without leaving any remainder. Without leaving any remainder is called the factors. Okay, if we divide 1 6 are 6, remainder 0. 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. 3 2s are 6, remainder 0. Then 6 1s are 6, also remainder 0. Okay, so these are the factors. This 1 2 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Okay, understand children? We will see another. Let's see one more example here. Here is number 15. Okay, now you know 15 means we can divide 15 by 1. 1 15s are, or 1 1s are 1. 1 minus 1 0. Take down 5 here, and 1 5s are 5. Look here, remainder 0. So 1 multiplied by 15. These are the factors of 15. Now after 1 we have to take number 2. We have to go to in sequence 1 then 2. Now see here, when 15 divide by 2, okay, you know 2 7s are 14. Okay children, 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 1 0. See here, remainder is 1. So 2 is not a factor of 15. So don't take 2. Okay, now after 2 3. Now 15 divide by 3. So 3 5s are 15. Here remainder 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. Remainder 0. So 3 is the factor of 15. Means 3 5s are 15. Okay children. Now 4. See again 4. 15 divided by 4. Now 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16. 16 is more than 15, so 4 3 is 12. And you know 5 minus 2, remainder 3. So 4 is not a factor of 15. After 5, 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15, and we already written here 3 5 is and 5 3 is means it's a repeat. So we have to complete here. Now this 1 3, this 1 3 5 and 15. 5 and 15 are the numbers. Okay, 1 3 5 and 15 are the numbers which can divide 15, which can divide 15 without any remainder. Okay, so these factors 1 3 5 and 15 of a given number are the numbers which divide the given numbers without leaving any remainder. So these are the factors of 15. 1 3 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. Okay, children. Now see here, children. Anjali has 16 muffins. Okay, she wants to arrange them in different ways so that the muffins are equally grouped and no muffins are left, means there will be no remainder. Okay, see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. These are 16 muffins. Muffins can be arranged in one group of 16 or 16 groups with one muffin in each group. Means what? 1 multiplied by 16 is equal to 16, or 16 multiplied by 1 is equal to 16. This is a 16 groups with one muffin, or one group of 16 muffins. Understand, children? Now muffins can be arranged into two groups. Look here, 2, then these two, these two, these two, this. How many groups were? This is one group of 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, 8 group, or 8 groups with 2 muffins. Here 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16, or 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. Understand, children? Now if she cannot make 3 groups, since one muffin will be left. Why? If she want to make a group of 3, means 16 divided by 3. Okay, so 3 5 is 15, and here 6 minus 5 1. So this one muffin will be left, so we cannot make, or this 3 is not a factor of 16. Okay, now next, here muffins can be arranged in 4 groups. 4 groups, one means in one group 4 muffins. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So the number of 16 can be expressed as 1 multiplied by 16, or 16 multiplied by 1, like this one. Okay, then 2 multiplied by 8, or 8 multiplied by 2, and then 4 4 is 16. Okay, hence 1 2 4, here 1 2 4 8 and 16 are all the numbers we multiplied to get 16. मीन्स 16 नंबर को डिवाइड करने के लिए 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. These numbers can be divided, or 16 can be divided by 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Hence, we can say that 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Okay. See here, 16 is equal to 1 multiplied by 16. After 1, we have to take 2. 2 8s are 16. Okay. Then 3, no. In 3's table, there is no 16. Now 4, yes. 4 4s are 16. Now 5, in 5's table, there is no 16. In 5's table, there are 0 and 5 in 1's place. Okay, children. Now 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. No. Then 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. No. 8, yes. 8 2s are 16. But we already write here 2 8s are. So you have to write this one time only. Now look here. Thus 1, 2, 4. And see here 1, 2, 4. Again there is 4. But don't take this 4 2 times. You have to take 1 times only. Okay, 4. And then 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Okay, children. Now you understand how to find out the factors. ये 16 नंबर को कौन कौन से नंबर से डिवाइड होगा? That numbers are the factor and remainder will come 0. That numbers are the factor of that given number. Okay, children. Let's see one more example. Okay, look here. This is 24. Now we have to find out the factors. Okay, 1 multiply by 24. We here multiply, or 24 divide by 1 means what, children? हम 24 divide by 1. Okay, 1 2s are 2. 2 minus 2 0. Take down 4. Then 1 4s are 4. Okay, look, we get here remainder 0. Means when we multiply 1 multiply by 24, this is the factor, or 24 divided by 1, we get 0. Okay. Then here after 1, 2. 2 we have to divide here. 24 divided by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 0. Then take down 4 and 2 2s are 4 means 2 12s are 24. Okay. Or here 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. Understand? Here 24. Then now 1 2 and then 3. See here 24 divided by 3. There is 24 in 3's table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Yes, 3 8s are 24. Okay, means 3 8s are 24, or 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Okay, now 4. Yes, 4 6s are 24. Okay, or 24 divided by 6 we get 4. Okay, 4 6s are 24. Then 5, in 5's table there is no 24. 6, yes, 6 4s are 24. But we already write here 4 6s are, so no need to write here again. Okay, children. So like this, here we get the factors. Which factors? Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, then go upside here. 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. Okay children, like this you can make with the help of multiplication factors or divide. You can do division and then you will get the factors. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4. Sorry, here we have to write 4 and then you will get the 6. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And these are the factors of 24. Okay. Now in next video we will see exercise 5.1.